Pagpangga mga kapuso sa spotlight atong ilailahon kining usa ka inahan nga nagduma sa usa ka center alang sa mga children with special needs mga kapuso. Program manager sab ni siya sa Autism Works Cebu atong pakisayran kini mga programa nga gihimo nila alang sa mga kabataan nga dunay espesyal nga panginahanglanon. Inahan ni siya mga kapuso sa duha ka mga anak, si Ma'am Babylene Virches Roa. Good morning, Ma'am.
Good morning, Sir Nix. Good morning to Cebu and to the other parts of the Visayas that are watching this program right now. Thanks for inviting me, Sir Nix.
Naghansap kayong salamat, Ma'am, for joining us this morning. We learned, Ma'am, nga you're an engineer by profession ug doon na kayo mga profession before, pero ning shift ka sa imong career to become a SPED teacher. Can you tell us more about it?
Correct. Sure. Of course, then, because I didn't have a need to learn more about special education, dalaga pa ko. So, nag-take up ng engineering and then got to work in the US for a few years. And then when I came back, I got married. And when I had my second child, si Calvin, when I found out nga he has autism, we planned to go abroad, no? Para hoping we could give a better future for him. So we left for New Zealand, came back after 2 years. And then when I came back, I said, I have to do something about this. So I took up special education. At that time, that was around 2005. That was the pinaka-in nga course. Everybody was taking special ed. I took up special ed, and then eventually, after passing the board, I opened a center with my friend and partner, Sandra. And then when we started, kite strings.
This is something very personal sab nimo, Ma'am, kay of course sa kondisyon sa imong anak. How did this change your life, Ma'am? Kini mo pag-focus na sa SPED.
Wow. Very nice question, sir. Next, super change, as in 180 degrees good. It's something na I didn't think I would get into, but because I felt there was a need for my son, for me to understand him better and for him to be able to, teach him better, educate him better, I had to take that up because I also felt nga murag the mothers then in Cebu were getting scared. The SPED teachers and therapists were leaving for the US. Of course, for greener pastures, no? And that's very understandable. So I told myself, I have to do something about it para if ever mangbiya mga teachers, di ra ko mahadlok.
How is it like, Ma'am, when you were starting the center, Ma'am?
It was challenging, no? But I had that certain confidence because as a mom, I already knew the things that needs to be done. Not yet everything. I took up a bit of, I took up education, and then what really helped was the schools that my son was going to, they let the parents observe because for them, they know that it is the parents who will eventually empower or manage the children at home.
Ma'am, para naapoy idea ni atong mga parents out there, Ma'am, how are you able to communicate, Ma'am, sa imong anak with special needs, also with other children, Ma'am?
Okay. First, Sir Nix, what I really learned is really how to teach my child or give tough love. Good. That was one of the things I really learned. And I know it's not easy because I deal with parents in the center nga baka kita gini ang bata di gid kay mo improve kay maluoy gid ang parents. Ya kung maluoy magud ang parents, dili mo learn ang bata. And then we see it's very difficult for some because dili sila kaantos nga mohilak ilang mga anak. Nya once mohilak na ilang mga anak na ilang i-attend, then what happens is the child will always think, oh, I can just cry and I can just shout anytime and I will be attended to. And that's what we don't like. That behavior, Sir Nix, as they grow older, that will become very difficult to manage already. Because the child will already feel entitled, nga anytime lang sila gamay mohilak, whatever, that they can be attended to. What we want is for them to, even if they're not verbal yet, is for them to ask nicely. Ang tough love yun, Sir Nick, is a challenge. And of course, the patience, dili gyud ka makakita nga murag, I never thought I would have this kind of patience. But mo gyud na ang ilang giingon nga, parents with special needs, children must stretch good in patience.
Ma'am, in line with the pandemic that we're experiencing right now, ma'am, unsay mga challenges sab nga na-encounter ninyo sa mga students with special needs? Labi na ni kining gitawag nato nga new normal sa education.
There were some very nice videos. The nice thing with Calvin is he has already a certain understanding of things. So a very nice video came out that explained COVID and the virus and having to, go through lockdown and everything in a very simple way. Because with special education, Sir Nick, the parent or the teacher or the caregiver or whoever is managing the child will have to learn how to give instructions in a way that is easier for them to understand. So presenting it in a very visual manner, like doing videos or presenting it in picture cards, will make them see things clearer and better, and they will have more time to process what they see.
So ang challenge pud karon ma'am tungod kay di nato sila madasa sa mga SPED centers, sa mga school. So sa mga parents na gid pud ma'am. So unsay mga challenges pud sa mga parents karon nga sila sa mismo ma'am ang nagtudlo sila mga kids with special needs?
Ang ako yung advice is first and foremost let them understand what's going on, and then og medyo kanang irritable ilang bata, timing sapot kay di na kasabot what's going on, kanang in a simple way, in a visual way, explain to them what's going on nga dili na pwede. And then try to give lang good activities at home nga murag malingaw lang gyapon sila.
Ma'am, say message nimo sa atong mga parents nga dunay mga anak may estudyante with special needs. And I would just like to mention ma'am, nice kay ang message sa imong shirt, autism, it's okay to be different. Could you care to explain ma'am?
Sir Nix, actually, I really like this shirt. When we designed this back, and I think ko, it's not only about autism. All of us, we're all different. So we're, it's okay. If we're not like the others, it's still okay. And of course, my message to the parents, Sir Nix, is everybody is adjusting. Not only our children with autism, we ourselves, we are all adjusting. We are all going through difficult times, and it's okay. Okay, these are not what we call normal times, no? But we're very thankful that things are better now. At least hinahinay, people are starting to go out. You see a bit more normal activity. People are doing the usual things already, but we just look different.
Wow, akong take away nimo ma'am, understanding, acceptance, of course, love. Daghan kayong salamat sa oras o kay gayon nga gihatag nimo kanamo karong buntaga si Ma'am Babylyn Roa. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Sir Nix, thank you again for the opportunity. Thank you for inviting me. God bless the GMA.
Thank you so much, ma'am. God bless you too.